Hello, I'm Yolanda Vereen, Guilford County Schools School Nutrition Services. Today we are going to explain and demonstrate our best practices for the 2020-21 school year. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to properly mix and use Cleaning Genie SanaGerm 2.0 germicidal detergent. SanaGerm is a germicidal detergent that provides an excellent cleaning and broad-spectrum disinfection of surfaces such as those in restrooms and on cafeteria tables. Follow these easy steps to mix the SanaGerm solution. The gallon bottle is concentrated SanaGerm. There should be a pump on this bottle to fill your SanaGerm spray bottle. Take a clean, empty spray bottle labeled Cleaning Genie SanaGerm 2.0. Fill to the line with clean water and add 1 pump from the SanaGerm concentrate bottle. The SanaGerm is now ready to use. Before using the SanaGerm solution, first pre-clean heavily soiled areas. After wiping the surface clean, spray the SanaGerm 2.0 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Then let it air dry. GCS School Nutrition Services is dedicated to serving our students during these unprecedented days. Together, we will get through this. Thank you for watching.